Okay, my son built this igloo. My son and his friends built this igloo. Blizzard of 2016. Here we go. Gonna explore the igloo for the first time. See what they got here. Oh my. Wow, it's a pretty cool igloo. Let me get situated here. There's an air hole or some type of hole right here. And they got another one right here. Yeah. I can lay down. Oh. Look at that. That's my mailbox right there. That is my mailbox. Oh, and this tunnel right here. You go around. Tunnel right here. If you're claustrophobic, don't do this. There's another air hole right there. And then, see, there's like, we're like making rooms upon rooms in here. And you see these spots right here? That's not a lot on top. I don't know if I should let him get back in here because I don't want to collapse. Better collapse on me than on him, right? That looks a little thin up on top. Whew. So you got like antechambers here, you know, you got the study and the library and the dining room. Wow, man, it's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get myself back out. You can check in, but you can't check out. They should make this like more of a decline so you can slide. Yeah, I'll turn around. Go back out this way, that'll be easier. See, igloo. Whew, there she is.